Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all a simple wash day routine that I have incorporated in my wash regimen, and that includes using Rhassoul Clay. Keep watching. So here I am just wetting my hair. As you see, my hair is already sectioned off and twisted up to keep my sections separated. I do this sometimes when my hair needs to be detangled prior to getting in the shower and washing my hair. Most of the time I do it when I'm using some sort of shampoo or the clay to wash my hair. Now I'm just pinning each twist up so I can wash my hair, each section separately, to make sure I really get into my scalp and each strand of hair thoroughly with the clay. So here I have my clay mix in an applicator bottle. I will be uploading a video of how I made the clay, so stay tuned for that video. So here I am just applying the clay to my scalp first, which is why I put it in an applicator bottle, so I can get to my scalp a little bit better. And then I work down to the rest of my hair and the ends. So Rhassoul Clay is known to be a moisturizer and softener for hair. Some benefits include it reduces dryness in the hair while removing toxins and product buildup. It also improves hair elasticity and unblocks your pores on the scalp. So the reason why I chose to do Rhassoul Clay and not bentonite clay, which I do plan on trying soon, but I wanted a clay that would still leave my hair soft and moisturized. I know the bentonite clay does an awesome job at defining curls, but I wanted something a little more subtle, a little more soft, where I could still detangle my hair, which it really helped with that, detangling my curls. I didn't have a problem at all trying to run a comb through my hair afterwards or anything of that nature. So I decided, after doing research, was to go with the Rhassoul Clay instead. So now I'm just moving throughout my hair, going through each section, applying the clay, first on my scalp and then on the rest of my hair. And I just repeat this process throughout my entire head. So if you're looking to purchase Rhassoul Clay, I found mine at my local vitamin shop. They have the Rhassoul Clay, so it actually says Rhassoul Clay, which is the same as the Rhassoul Clay. It just depends on whatever they put on there, Rhassoul Clay or Rhassoul Clay, they're the same thing. But I purchased mine from Vitamin Shop. It was about $7, $8, $9, $10, no more than $10. But yeah, it was very reasonable, and you don't need a lot. Like, a little goes a long way, especially when you're mixing it and making, this clay mixture. A little goes a long way. So after applying the clay all over my hair, I did let it sit for approximately 5 minutes. And as you can see, I just kept running my hands through my hair, just kind of smoothing the clay throughout my hair, down the hair shaft, making sure it's on my scalp. And then after that, I just rinsed it out. So after rinsing out the clay, my hair was nice and soft, shiny, moisturized, and defined. So after I rinsed out all the clay, I did follow up with a deep conditioning treatment, just to add a little extra moisture to my hair. So stay tuned. I will be uploading that video as well, my deep conditioning routine. So stay tuned for that video as well. And also, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I will be uploading how I made my clay mix. So stay tuned for that video as well. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.